Hello, everyone. Welcome to Travel English Podcast, Go Around the World. Today, we will talk about aurora, polar lights, and solar wind. Many people think there is only the northern lights. I used to think that too. But actually, there are two types of aurora. In this episode, we will explain these words in simple and clear English, so you can understand them and know where to travel if you want to see this beautiful light in the sky. First, let us start with the word aurora. Aurora is the scientific name for the natural light that appears in the sky near the North Pole and the South Pole. It looks like moving green, pink, or purple lights dancing in the night sky. The word aurora is a general word. It means this special light phenomenon in both the north and the south. Now, many people know the name Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis is the northern lights. This is the aurora that appears near the North Pole. You can see it in countries like Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska in the United States. These places are popular with tourists because they are easier to reach and have many tours for visitors. So when people talk about seeing the aurora, they often mean Aurora Borealis, but there is also Aurora Australis. Aurora Australis is the southern lights. It appears near the South Pole. You can see it in the south of New Zealand, the south of Australia, and in parts of southern Chile and Argentina. It is less famous because fewer people live near the South Pole. However, it is just as beautiful as the northern lights. So what are polar lights? Polar lights is another name for aurora. The word polar means related to the poles of the earth. Lights means the bright colors in the sky. So polar lights simply means the lights near the North Pole and the South Pole. It includes both Aurora Borealis and Aurora Australis. If you remember this, you will not be confused. Aurora is the scientific word. Polar lights is a common descriptive name. Northern lights and southern lights are the two types. Now let us talk about solar wind. Solar wind is the energy that comes from the sun. The sun sends out very small particles into space. These particles travel very fast. When they reach the Earth, they meet the Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field protects our planet. When the solar wind touches this magnetic field, energy is released in the sky. This energy creates the beautiful colors we see as aurora. So without solar wind, there would be no aurora. If you are a tourist and want to see the aurora, should first decide which pole you want to visit. Most travelers choose the north because it is easier and there are more cities and tours. Good places to start are northern Norway, Iceland, or northern Canada. You should travel in winter when nights are long and dark. You also need clear skies and a little patience. Understanding these words helps you travel smarter. Aurora is the general name. Aurora Borealis is in the north. Aurora Australis is in the south. Polar lights means the same as aurora. Solar wind is the energy from the sun that makes everything possible. I hope this episode helps you feel less confused and more excited about your future trip. The sky above our planet is full of wonder. Maybe one day you will stand under the dancing lights and see the aurora with your own eyes. Thank you for listening.